10 to 15, but if you looked on Wingaroo last week, it was about 25 to 30. Typically, the Bermuda Azores high sets up and we get a southerly flow anywhere from southeast to southwest. Middle of the day, it's the windiest. It might start off at, say, 8 knots, build to 12, 13, and then diminish in the evening. But that's pretty typical.
Water temp?
Plenty warm enough.
Plenty warm.
No wetsuits necessary.
That's the question.
Yeah, no
80
wetsuits.
plus.
Absolutely
80
not. Yeah.
plus.
No,
Yeah.
no long pants, no long shirts, lots of sunblock. Everybody seriously think about sunblock because you've been here a short period, but that sun's very intense.
You may want a rash guard or something just for the SPF factor.
Anything else? That can't be that
Have you
simple.
got any more information about homestays or at
We,
all?
okay, the laser side, I don't know how the board side's working on homestays. Laser side, we have a lady that's working to organize the homestays. We're going to try to homestay 50 people. That's about the goal. Now, she's also trying to get it within about 1.5 miles of here. Now, the idea being that maybe the people they're staying with could drop them here or drop them into town in the morning where there will be there's buses running constantly to Spanish Point. The other thing we're going to do, and I'm probably going to send an email out to the sailing coordinators for each island in a couple of weeks' time, is we need to get a really good idea of the makeup of the team. I know it's a long way out, but for homestays we need to figure out things like, is somebody bringing a wife with them? Do they need 2 people in a room, or is it, so that type of thing we will need to know for organizing it. At the moment, we're just going after numbers, seeing how many people we can get that are going to hold them. After that, we're going to need a little bit more precise information as to what you're sending as a team. I know it's not within the rules that you have to submit names yet. We don't need names. We just need a really good idea of who you're sending.
What about under 18s? How are you going to cope with those?
Same homestays, same thing.
Okay.
And would the homestays be providing like breakfast, or would the
They'll
food
be
have
asked
to
to
be
provide
here?
breakfast, and that'll be it.
Okay.
Everything after that'll be, like I said, we're going to have a light lunch type food here and something you can eat afterwards.
Okay.
But again, there is a grocery store up like I said, a 1/4 mile away, and food should not be an issue.
I can just add something. It's international, I
Sorry.
answer them first.
I was just going to add something to what Brett's saying about the homestay, because I'm not involved with it for this regatta, but I've been involved with a lot of accommodation for sailing regattas, and we do have a lot of people who live in this area who are very used to hosting sailors, and they've done it many times before. So, I think that's going to work well.
Carol Wills and I, Diane Gordon, are doing the attaches volunteers locally here. So do we need to add on